Hello everyone. Hello everyone. This is Bilbo from Hapsino. Welcome to our live broadcast room on Ali International Station. Today I will introduce to you in detail how our HN 1600s Slitter rewinder perfectly rewinds film and its main functions. Let's see our factory. Hapsino Group is manufacturer of Slitter rewinder and converting machinery for the worldwide packaging industry over 13 years. Our engineers have more than 20 years experience in Slitter rewinder field, supply strong technical support and R&D for the customers, for make sure our machine work naturally and stably in the customer's factory. There are in excess of 800 of machine installations worldwide, which means that you can fully trust us. All of your concerns will be solved through our professional advice and services. In Hapsino, you can enjoy the spring spice. This is our Hapsino factory, and there are many products. First one is our NE machine. It can cut um, thermal transfer ribbon and some ribbon materials. Here is our engineer. He will fix our cut paper core cutting machine. Our factory is equipped with advanced production facilities and cutting-edge technology to deliver innovative solutions to meet our clients' needs. Our engineer has been in this field more than 20 years. Our team knows Little Rewind machine very well. We are always looking for new ways to improve our production process and develop cutting-edge products that push the boundaries of what is possible. Our team of engineers works closely with our research and development department to ensure that we are always on the forefront of technological advancements. Here is our another factory. It lists most action series product videos or photos. We will please feel free to contact us. Now goodbye. The best time you can see our factory